Watch this video to learn how to access sales data statistics from the VMS platform. After logging in, you'll have visibility to your sales overview and analysis on the initial dashboard. Down here, you can see a ranking of how each machine is doing and a ranking about the most successful products in your machine. On the left, you will see a handful of menus. Under Sales Data Statistics, you can see the sales summary report for the designated window of time you want. We're viewing this month's sales right now. You can switch the view to annual as well. Here is the transaction information for the year. Each page you go to will be added as a tab up here. The Product Detail Statistics page is where you can gather sales information about individual products over a certain period of time. In this example, we are looking at sales for the month of June. These columns show the amount of each product sold and the amount of money earned from the sale of each product. The Machine Sales Statistics menu compares sales information for each machine. See your best and worst performing machines as well as total orders and revenue for each machine. In this video, we will walk through the Merchant Authority section of the VMS platform. This is where you can find information about your account, permissions, roles, and machines. The Accounts menu shows the users who can access the account in the VMS platform and the OPS app. Click here to add a new user. Adding a new user will provide them with permissions on both the VMS platform and OPS app. You must add their names and email addresses and create a password and select a user role. You can see the roles to designate on the Roles page. Click on the green Detail button to learn more about the permissions each role has. The Operator Information section shows your profile and payment information. The Locations section exists to serve operators with multiple machines across different geographical areas with different employees working on each route. In the Locations section, you will see the areas you have set up. Within each area, you can add a route or multiple routes and machines within each route, including serial number. You can transfer individual coolers from one route to another here as well. You can add an area using this button. Within an area, you can add a route. You can add machines to each route as well. On the Machines page, we will find a list of the machines you have in your merchant account. On the right side of the screen are the actions. Here you can find the cooler's details, barcode, edit, remote reboot, and delete buttons. It can be helpful to click Edit to update the name of the machine and the tax jurisdiction here. Don't forget to click Save. The Details button will direct you to the machine's profile information and the list of the cooler's on-sale products, also known as the planogram. The unlisted products here are the products you are not currently selling in this specific cooler. You can easily move products from the unlisted to the listed on-sale planogram by clicking the green Put on Shelf button or by selecting multiple products for a bulk transfer. You can remove products from the shelf and make them unlisted by selecting the yellow Remove from Shelf button. You can do this in bulk as well. Click the blue button here to update the price. The changes will update at the cooler within 5 minutes. You can add products into your account under the Products tab here. The Remote Reboot button will reboot the cooler if you think there may be an issue. Utilize this toolbar to see more information about each machine. All the way on the right, you will see the planogram template ID and planogram template name. Here you can see another view of the machine's current planogram.